Billionaires' children have access to a world that most people cannot comprehend. Others spend their wealth more extravagantly, such as traveling the world on a yacht, packing wardrobes with designer clothes, and even owning luxury cars.
Welcome to Luxurious and Chic, where we will be showing you everything about luxury and help you experience the billionaire lifestyle.
Check the links in the description if you too would like to experience a life of abundance. Let's check out the daily lives of these billionaire kids. The British royal family. Let's start with an appropriate example. We'll be discussing real-life princess and princesses. Aren't they living perfectly regular lives? Well, it turns out that a normal existence is a bit of a big order when you come from a royal family worth $28 billion. Because of their affluence, the British royal family is more likely to run out of offspring before they run out of resources. They own a number of castles, houses, and estates, all of which are lavishly furnished. And they just happen to reside in one of the world's most famous palaces or one of the royals' children's home, brimming with extravagance and servants. Before they were even born, the royal children had a life of luxury. According to reports, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle spent $800,000 on Archie's birth, including a $43,000 baby moon and a $333,000 baby shower. Archie had to adore the pre-digested gourmet cuisine his mother served him. The other royal children, George, Charlotte, and Louise, Prince William and Kate Middleton's 3 children, lived completely normal lives as well. There was nothing unusual about it. Nah, you already know I'm joking. To begin with, Prince George is worth $2.8 billion, while his sister Charlotte is worth $4.3 billion. Literal billionaire children. However, both Prince George and Princess Charlotte enjoy dancing. They also participate in ballet at their school. They speak English, Spanish, and are learning French. Speaking of learning French, they do it at Thomas's Battersea School, a prestigious institution where the curriculum is as rigorous as the $24,000 annual tuition. Aside from that, being youngsters and all, they don't do much exciting stuff. But we'll be here to show you all about the stunts they pulled with their Lambos next to Buckingham Palace once they're old enough to properly handle their billions. The British royal family's children are just a head start. I'm sure the next billionaire kids will wow you. The Carter family. Moving from one royal to the next. Blue Ivy and her brothers, Sir and Rumi Carter, are the offspring of none other than Queen Bey and her spouse Jay-Z, both of whom are extremely skilled and successful singers. They have a total net worth of $1.35 billion thanks to decades of hard work and investments. Because she's the oldest and has lived longer than her brothers, Blue Ivy has had the kind of upbringing that neither of her parents had. She had a personal stylist since she was in preschool, which is quite useful. Her first birthday party cost $300,000. You wouldn't want to attend that kind of party underdressed. Blue Ivy, Sir, and Rumi get to reside in one of their parents' multi-million-dollar mansions that span the East Coast and West Coast. They might also get lucky and end up past the coast. That is, if Jay-Z and Beyoncé decide to hire a $400 million boat once more. Blue Ivy Carter had already become a cultural phenomenon by the age of 9. She'd already won 2 BET Soul Train Awards and landed on the Billboard 100. Well, when I was 9, I don't think I could even whistle. Blue Ivy has already found herself sharing the stage and rubbing shoulders with Hollywood's finest at such a young age. She even accompanied her parents to a New Year's Eve party attended by celebrities such as Megan Thee Stallion. That isn't the only celeb she has met. Blue Ivy has spent her entire childhood attending award events and premieres, so believe me when I say she's met a lot of famous people. It was past time for her to get her own little black book. Blue Ivy is slowly but steadily becoming a cultural icon. She is, after all, the daughter of America's favorite artist duo, and her name gets millions of internet clicks. Who knows, she might even outperform her mother in the music industry. The Gates family. Bill Gates is one of the most well-known entrepreneurs of our generation, having been a key figure in the microcomputer breakthrough. After all, it's only natural. He is the co-founder of Microsoft and has a $123 billion net worth. He has put that money on a variety of business and charitable projects. He has started and led various businesses. He's also used that money to raise his children in luxury and give them generous allowances. With his then-wife Melinda, Gates had 3 children: Jennifer, Rory, and Phoebe. Even though Bill Gates is the world's 4th richest man and has been for a while, his children aren't like the most billionaire children. For starters, none of his children were allowed to obtain a mobile phone until they turned 14. Quite unlike the teen Arab billionaires on Instagram cuddling their pet lions. Furthermore, Bill Gates has declared that he will not be leaving his vast fortune to his children. Instead, he'll give it to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, as you might expect. How admirable! Phoebe Gates is the youngest of the Gates children, Rory Gates is the middle kid, and Jennifer Gates is the oldest and most well-known. Who am I to defy tradition? Jennifer Gates earned a bachelor's degree in human biology from Stanford University. Nayel Nassar, a professional Egyptian equestrian rider, has been her fiancé since 2018. You see, Jennifer is a professional equestrian as well. Jennifer has reaped numerous benefits as a billionaire's child. Her family house was a $121 million mansion, so she had access to the pinnacle of luxury. She also had access to some of the finest educational opportunities available. She's currently pursuing medicine after graduating from Stanford University. When it came time for her to follow her passion for horses, she was spared the devastating, "we can't afford a pony" reply that most fathers give their daughters. Instead, the Gates family spent $37 million on a Florida estate that was ideal for Jennifer and her horses. The house comes with a 20-stall stable and a jumping arena for her to utilize, which is an incredible gift. Who knows what the other kids want for Christmas that year? Rashid Bilhassa or Money Kicks. Next, we'll talk about Rashid Bilhassa, or Money Kicks as he prefers to be called, the son of billionaire Dubai business tycoon Saif Ahmed Bilhassa, who built a net worth of $2.1 billion through savvy investments and is the head of the Saif Bilhassa Group. Money Kicks' older brothers are both professional footballers who play for the UAE national team. Money Kicks, on the other hand, took a different path and became a pro at flexing on people, starting with his own YouTube channel and amassing a sizable following. I'm talking about 3.1 million Instagram followers. I'm also not envious. He generally posts pictures of himself hanging out with celebs, spending time in his extravagantly decorated home, or as I previously stated, flexing on you. It's not that bad though. I now know what the world's most expensive dog looks like thanks to Money Kicks. Money Kicks lives in one of Dubai's most expensive residences, so when he's not out filming, he's generally inside filming at his home. And boy does he have a lot of good footage to shoot. His home is vast enough to accommodate a complete zoo with exotic species. You name it, lions, panthers, and zebras. There are 500 creatures in total, according to reports. Excessive? Well, maybe. I visited zoos with significantly less animals, including fish, so who can say? Money Kicks has met a lot of celebrities who aren't on his YouTube channel thanks to his upbringing among the wealthy and famous. Of course, photos of him with celebrities like Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, and Khloe Kardashian are currently circulating the internet while you're watching this video. Of course, his lavish lifestyle does not end there. He's a rich kid from Dubai after all, and having a fantastic car collection is part of the culture, and Money Kicks does not fail to impress. He was already showcasing cars worth millions on his YouTube channel way before he was even old enough to drive. One of these vehicles is his Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, and we all know that you can't be wealthy without owning or driving a Ferrari. Yes, the marketing is that effective. Despite its 6.3-liter V12 engine, this Ferrari is a little more exceptional. Money Kicks didn't believe it was sophisticated enough, so he wrapped the car's entire body in a Louis Vuitton. I'm curious whether this makes it more or less valuable. Please let me know in the comments section. Money Kicks, on the other hand, isn't just wasting his parents' money. With his expanding celebrity recognition and a net worth of $4 million, he's well on his way to becoming as wealthy as his father, who is now producing his own billionaire children, and the cycle continues. The Dubai royal family. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is the head of the Dubai royal family. He has 6 wives and 30 royal children, and the royal family as a whole is worth approximately $18 billion. These children were raised in a world of golden palaces, hundreds of servants, and mega yachts only seen on the internet. As one might expect, they've all led opulent lives. But one of the Dubai royal children stands out above the rest, none other than the Crown Prince of Dubai, Fazza, or Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum for short. Fazza can be found flashing some of that Dubai cash on Instagram. We're talking exotic holidays, gigantic yachts, and of course, a plethora of cars. Don't forget the camels. Lots of camels. It's probably on his Instagram feed if you can ride it. Fazza may be seen enjoying his gigantic yacht, which is 252 feet long Smeralda. He got this stunning naval craft at the very low price of $70 million. The yacht can accommodate 12 guests and 24 crew members. Fazza isn't the only one who lives off the family's resources. The Dubai royal family knows how to enjoy their money, as evidenced by their possession of a Lamborghini and a Range Rover, both of which are clad in solid gold. It's a status symbol after all. That is the level of luxury enjoyed by just one of the Dubai royal family's wealthy children. We were unable to go into detail about all 30 of them. But if you want to know more about them, check out our other video about royal Arabs. We assure you, private jets, yachts, golden cars, and luxury experiences aren't even close enough to covering it. So, who is your favorite billionaire kid? Tell us in the comments.
Do tell us in the comment section below. And if you want to know about the most expensive things in the world, look inside the lives of the wealthiest people on the planet, or how to achieve success in your life, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't forget to hit the like button.